Standard 10 Maths Part 1st Unit number 2 Quadratic Equation Marks 12 Part 2 Maths Part 1st Part 2. Today we discuss two methods of solving quadratic equation. First method is factorization method. Second is completing square method. And third one formula method. Today we discuss two factorization method. Please subscribe my channel Rajendra Jadhav for more educational videos. First one method, factorization method. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method. Example, first x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. Second, x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Third, 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. Fourth, 25m square is equal to 9. Fifth, this star indicate in textbook this type of question is a hot type question. Hot means higher order thinking question. 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Study the following example. Solve the quadratic equation x square plus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0 by factorization method. Here solve the quadratic equation sample equation and steps. First steps, split the middle term 8x. Middle term split करायची आहे. Find the factor of LHS, left hand side factors. Then if the product of two number is 0, then at least one of them must be 0. This is two factor x plus 3 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. At least one of them must be 0, and therefore write down the x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. Solve each linear equation. X plus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. They are linear equation. Solve the linear equation, find the value of variable x, and next write the answer. The root of the equation are minus 3 or minus 5. Use these steps and solve the factorization methods to solve the quadratic equation. Solve first example using the factorization method. Solution. First write down the equation. First step, split the middle term. The product of x square coefficient 1 and constant number 54. 1 plus 54 is equal to product 54. And find two factor of 54. The product of two factor is 54 and sum of two factor is minus 15. Two number 9 6 54. The product of two number is a 54, but sum of 9 and 6 two factor number is not minus 15. Give the sign to factor minus 9 and minus 6. Minus 9 into minus 6, the multiplication of two factor plus 54, and the sum of two factor is equal to minus 15. These two conditions are satisfied this factor, and the split the middle term, write down the factor in this type: x square minus 9x minus 6x plus 54 is equal to 0. In these two terms, find out common factor outside. X is the common factor in two term. X is the common factor. X square, it's remaining x. This term remaining 9 minus. Give the common factor 6x and 54. 6 and 54 is a two factor minus 9 and minus 6. It means minus 6 is the factor of 54, and give the common minus 6, it's remaining x, and next one the factor of 54 is minus 9 is equal to 0. In these two terms, x minus 9 and x minus 9 is the common bracket x minus 9, and remaining bracket x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, this is the two root of equation x minus 9 and x minus 6. At least one of them is 0, therefore x minus 9 is equal to 0, or x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 9, it goes to right side, plus 9. X is equal to minus 6, right side goes to plus 6. Therefore, x 9 and 6 are the roots of the given equation. Second example, x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. First write down the equation: x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. First split the middle term coefficient is equal to 1. The product of two number, coefficient of x square is equal to 1 and constant number minus 20, 1 and minus 20 is equal to product is a minus 20, and the sum, find two factor. The sum of two factor is middle term coefficient. Middle term coefficient is plus 1 is the coefficient. 5 and 4 is the two factor of 20. Its 20 is a minus 20. It gives one factor sign is a minus. Plus sign give to middle term coefficient sign to first term greater factor, and minus sign to smaller factor. Plus 4 and minus 4, the multiplication of two factor is equal to minus 20, and the sum of plus 5 and minus 4 is equal to plus 1. These two factor of middle term. Write down x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 0 these two terms common, the common term x is the common in these two term, it's remaining x square in x, it's remaining 5. And next one two term is common, minus 4 minus 20 is factor plus 5 and minus 4, it means 4 is the common factor, x in bracket plus 5, solving the bracket plus minus minus. In these two terms, two brackets are common, x plus 5 is the common bracket, and next one remaining x minus 4 is equal to 0. Two factor is equal to 0, at least one factor is a value is a 0, therefore x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. The value of x plus 5 goes to right side and the sign is 5 is minus 5, or x is equal to 4, left side 4 is a minus and it gives to right side to plus 4, therefore minus 5 4 are the roots of the given equation. Third example, 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. First write down the equation. 2y square plus 27y is equal to 13. Split the middle term 27y. First the product of y square coefficient 2 and constant term 13. 2 into 13 is equal to 26. Find out two factor of 26. Multiplication of two factor is a 26 and addition of two factor is equal to plus 27. This is the middle term coefficient. 26 1 जा 26 and 26 plus 1 is equal to 27. This is the two factor of a 27 y, 26y plus y. Write down 2y square plus 26y plus 1y plus 13 is equal to 0. Find out the common factor of these two terms y and 2. 26 factor 13 into 26, 2 factor 13 2 जा 26, 2 is the common, 2 is a common, and y is common out 2y, it's remaining y, second term remaining 30 plus these two terms, nothing is common, the one is the common, these two term y plus 13 is equal to 0. These two term, the bracket y plus 13 is the common bracket, y plus 13, and next remaining first 2y plus 1. This is a two factor. Multiplication of two factor is equal to 0. It means at least one factor is value is a 0. Therefore y plus 13 is equal to 0 or 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to plus 13 goes to right side, change the sign, minus 13, or 2y is equal to minus 1. This is the plus 1. it goes to right side -1. Y is equal to 13 minus 13, or y is equal to -1 upon 2. 2 is a multiplication to y, it goes to divide. Therefore -13 and -1 plus 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Example 4, 25m square is equal to 9. First, write down this example in standard form of quadratic equation. First, write down this quadratic equation, then write down the standard form of quadratic equation. Observe this equation two term, 25m square minus 9. 25m square is the perfect, 25 is a perfect square number, m square, 9 is a perfect square number. Write down this term, this form, 5m square, 9 is a square of 3, 3 square is equal to 0. Using the expansion formula, we know that a square minus b square is equal to addition of first term and second term, and next bracket subtraction of first bracket and second bracket. Using this expansion formula, factorize the following equation: 5m plus 3, next one 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. Two number of multiplication is equal to 0. At least one number is 0, then the multiplication is 0. Therefore 5m plus 3 is equal to 0, or 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore 5m is equal to 3 is left side in plus sign, it goes to right side in minus sign, or 5m is equal to 3 goes to right side, sign changed, minus, it goes to plus. M is equal to minus 3 upon 5, or m is equal to 3 upon 5. Therefore minus 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 are the roots of the quadratic equation. This example 5th. This example indicates star in your textbook. Star means hot question example. This example is 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. First write down the equation. Split the middle term. The sum of two number 2, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Find 2 factor. The sum of middle term coefficient minus 2 root 6. we know that minus root 6 and root 6 multiplication of two root number is the 6. The product of two factor is plus 6, but the sum of two number is minus 2. It gives sign minus minus. The multiplication of minus minus plus, and the sum of two factor is the minus 2 root 6. 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. 3x square, write down root 3x into root 3x is equal to multiplication of two terms is 3x square. Root 6 write down in this form, root 3x into root 2, root 3x into root 2, write down 2. 2 means root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. We know that, studied in last year. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to